One of the questions I've been asked by travelers several times is, should I use an iPhone or an Android when traveling abroad? I'll talk a little bit about the differences and then share some important things to keep in mind no matter what phone you use. So here's the truth. There's no one right answer to the iPhone versus Android question when it comes to travel. They're all smartphones, meaning they're essentially mini computers. In my opinion, the best phone for international travel is the one you're already comfortable using. If you're already using Apple products or maybe you text with other iPhone users often, then sticking with an iPhone might make the most sense. Apple keeps things simple and seamless across their devices. That said, Android phones can sometimes be more affordable and they give you a lot more customization options. In some places, like China, you might even need an Android just to install certain local apps. Now, whether you use an iPhone or an Android, here are a few things to check before your next trip. One, eSIM compatibility. This makes it so much easier and more affordable to stay connected abroad. Now, eSIMs came out before 2020, so phones older than that might not support them. Two, battery life. Travel days can drain your phone fast, especially with all the maps, photos, and translation apps you'll be using. And three, storage space. Make sure you've got enough phone storage for all those beautiful travel pics that you're going to take. Now, these first three things, eSIM compatibility, battery life, and storage space, can all be a problem if you have a really old phone. So if that's the case, you might consider upgrading for your international trip. Now, finally, number four, unlocked status. Make sure you understand if your phone can use other SIM cards or networks, which is called the phone being unlocked. I explain this fully in my worldwide connectivity course, along with how to choose the best international phone plans for your needs. So if you didn't grow up with today's technology or you're not feeling super tech savvy, that's okay. I created my smartphone savvy travel course just for travelers like you. It walks you through the exact settings, tools, and essential apps step by step, so you can feel confident and enjoy smoother, safer, and stress-free trips. You can also grab my free pre-trip phone prep checklist. I've linked to that below. And you don't need to become a tech expert to travel smarter. It's really about having the right tools and knowing how to use them, which is what I try to be here for. The free phone checklist is a great place to start, and feel free to check out our other resources as well. Happy travels!